Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to start a print on demand business on eBay without holding inventory or spending upfront? In this video, I will walk you through how to sell print on demand products on eBay step by step in 2025. Let's get started. Print on demand means you sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, posters, or phone cases, and a fulfillment partner prints and ships them only after a customer places an order. With eBay, you can list these products and reach millions of buyers. No inventory, no shipping hassles. Overlay or checklist on screen. eBay seller account. Here's what you need: an eBay seller account, a free print on demand platform account like Printful or Printify, some product designs, and a way to get paid like PayPal or direct deposit. Go to ebay.com and create a seller account and complete your profile. Add your payout information and set up shipping policies. Even though your POD partner will handle it later. Pick a POD platform that integrates directly with eBay. Here are some options: Printful, trusted, global, reliable; Printify, cheaper, more suppliers, etc. Go to your POD dashboard like on Printify, manage stores and select connect. Select and select connect eBay, authorize access, and boom, now your store is connected. Now design your first product like a t-shirt, hoodie, or mugs. Upload your design, pick colors and mockups, then set your title, description, and price. Hit publish to eBay and your listing goes live. Use SEO friendly products title and keywords. Add up to 12 product images, clear descriptions, and good pricing. Aim for profit but stay competitive. When someone places an order on eBay, your POD partner gets the order. They print and ship it. Tracking info is sent automatically to eBay and the customer. You get paid. Focus on trending niches like funny quotes, hobbies, professions. Use high quality mockups. Offer free shipping. Keep an eye on shipping times. Maintain good customer service and feedback. Good reviews matter on eBay. And that's how you start selling print on demand products on eBay in 2025. No inventory, no stress. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and comment if you want a full setup tutorial using Printful or Printify. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.